Hello everyone! Let's explore how decision support systems, or DSS, are transforming precision resource management in today's data-driven world. Managing resources like water, energy, fertilizers, or manpower is becoming increasingly complex. Traditional methods often lead to waste, inefficiency, and higher costs. This is where decision support systems come in. A DSS is an intelligent system that combines real-time data, analytical models AI, and machine learning to help decision makers make accurate and timely choices. Here's how it works in precision management. Data collection, sensors, satellites, IoT devices. Data processing, cloud platforms analyze large datasets. Prediction models. AI predicts demand, risks, and outcomes. Actionable insights. System recommends optimal actions. In agriculture, DSS helps farmers optimize irrigation, apply fertilizers precisely, predict crop yield. In smart cities, manage energy consumption, optimize traffic flow. In industries,